Great. So you also worked a lot of with sanctions, haven't you?
Yes, so one of my scope of work, I was the compliance officer for Total Energies UK. So it covers, well, my scope was a lot, but mostly Russia sanctioned, bribery and corruptions, data protection, and general compliance, including company secretarial matters. I was the company secretary, formally appointed as well.
Great. In the light of this, it's so mm, changing area. All the time we have some new regulations. How do you keep yourself updated with all of that? If you have a few tips, maybe.
Yeah, so there are a few things, few resources. Depending on your organizations, if you're in a law firm, you'd ought to have a PSL lawyer. Slash a knowledge lawyer, which would update you and keep you appraised of all the updates in law. So, and also this team of lawyers, knowledge lawyer or PSL lawyer, is the go-to team if you need to find out is there an update on this particular provisions. So that's really helpful if you're in a law firm. But of course, if you work in-house, there's very small chance at that to have a dedicated knowledge PSL legal team. So this resource that you might or you may have in an organizations, depending on the size of the company, is the group lawyers, the headquarters lawyers who work there, if they know or they're more knowledgeable or not. But the main thing is that you would always need to ask if you get access to practical law, Westlaw, or LexisNexis. These three are what I often use when I used to work in-house.
What,
So it's
what about publicly available resources like Go UK, for example?
Yes, it's Gov UK is great. Times and times it would also let you know if this still at the House of Lords stage or at the House of Commons stage, or whether it has been effective. But the thing is, at Gov UK, it's not an in-depth knowledge. So if you want to know about something in a more in-depth level, then it's not a good resource to rely on primarily. So I would think Westlaw and LexisNexis and Practical Law. If you could subscribe to them easily, that would be absolutely amazing.
But I think like Go UK is a good starting point, and then
It's a
you
good starting point, definitely. Yeah.
research a little bit more. And Law Society also quite often provides
Yeah.
those.
hmm Definitely. Law Society, for instance, it has guidance on for law firms and organizations how to comply with Russia sanctions, for instance. That's very helpful.